Hi, if you need to set up alarm clock on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then open this clock app first and here choose alarm section. After that, to add one we will need to tap on the plus. Here select time by swiping up or down, for example let's set it to 7 AM, and after that choose the days. Let's select from Monday till Friday and name this alarm as work, for example. After that, we can select its sound, also enable it or disable, vibration and snooze. Let's talk about sound first. Here we have three options: Spotify, ringtone, Samsung ringtone or Bixby alarm. Let's go in the ringtone here and we can see many options for the ringtone, and also these two features: read time and alarm name aloud and gradually increase volume. And here drag the slider to reduce or add volume to your ringtone. Now after that, go in the vibration and choose vibration for your alarm. And also here you can change its intensity. And now about snooze, firstly enable it, then choose interval, for example 10 minutes, and after that you can set repeat. Also you can select forever here. And save the changes, just go back like that. And the last thing, we can set an alarm background. Here select background, you can choose your photo from the gallery or from the featured one. And after that, tap the done button and save the changes by tapping this save button. And here is your alarm. You can also tap these three dots, tap on edit and remove it right now or turn off. And that's it how it works. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.